some of the most iconic places, some of the national heritage important sites. For example, in Kibwezi, where the first, some of the first explorers were able to set foot, we have a handful of that in Makueni, and we are also endowed with some of the unique mountains that offer some of the unique experiences of climbing, like the Nzawi Hill, just close by from Wote. Makueni as a county has what you call unique foods, good food. We have hospitable people, and above all, we are bordered over 170 kilometers boundary with the major national parks. And these parks offer a safari experience that is not available anywhere else in this country, and by so saying, anywhere in the world.
We are a county of dreams. We will dream until we can't do more. But we will make sure that everything that is in Makueni, including the main road, the railway, the aerodrome that we can promote, is something that is we can use and exploit. Use all those media to promote Makueni. So it's not this is not government. I'm asking all of you. This is not a government agenda. I am just setting